Have you ever felt like there's more to life than meets the eye? Have you experienced strange physical sensations that you couldn't explain? Or maybe you've questioned your purpose and felt a deep longing for something more. If you've nodded to any of these, you might be on a path of spiritual awakening. In this video, we will explore this life-changing process. Together, we'll look into its mysteries, discover the stages of spiritual awakening, and explore some of the incredible ways your body might be signaling your spiritual growth. Let's uncover the mysteries of your inner compass together. Imagine a magical compass residing deep within you. This compass, unlike its physical counterpart, doesn't point to a specific direction like north or south, but instead guides you towards the true north of your spirit. Spiritual awakening is the process of tuning into this inner compass and allowing it to lead you on your own unique path. It's not just a single moment or event, but a transformative journey of self-discovery. Spiritual awakening unfolds differently for everyone, yet there are common stages that act like guideposts along the way. It's like walking along a winding mountain trail, where each bend reveals a new vista, offering a deeper understanding of your inner landscape. This awakening involves a profound shift in consciousness and a new perception of reality. It's about realizing that everything is interconnected and understanding that every aspect of existence has both positive and negative sides. By embracing this inner compass, you begin to see the world and yourself in a whole new light, fostering a deeper connection to your true self and the universe around you. Imagine a beautiful spiral staircase. This represents the journey of spiritual awakening. Each step brings you closer to who you really are. But the journey isn't straightforward. There are clear stages, each offering important lessons and growth. Most of us begin here unaware of the vast potential within. We operate on autopilot, driven by the ego, our thoughts, emotions, and conditioned beliefs. Life seems random and challenges feel like external problems. We go through the motions of daily life without questioning why we do what we do. Our decisions are often based on habits and reactions rather than conscious choices. We react to situations based on past experiences, not realizing that we have the power to change our responses. In this stage, we are like sleepwalkers, moving through life without truly being awake to the possibilities around us. We might feel stuck, like we're just going through the motions without any real purpose. Everything feels repetitive, and we might wonder if there's more to life than this. Our days are filled with routine tasks, and we seldom pause to reflect on our actions or their impact. We might find ourselves caught in a cycle of work, chores, and obligations, rarely stopping to ask if we are truly happy or fulfilled. It's easy to get lost in this state, feeling like we are living the same day over and over again. During this phase, our dreams and aspirations might seem distant or unreachable. We might feel that our potential is limited by external circumstances, not realizing that the true limitation is our own lack of awareness. This stage is marked by a sense of disconnection from our true selves, from others, and from the world around us. We might also experience a sense of dissatisfaction or restlessness, feeling that something is missing, but unable to pinpoint what it is. This feeling can be unsettling, but it can also be a catalyst for change. The slumber stage is a necessary part of the journey as it sets the stage for awakening and growth. With newfound curiosity, you embark on a quest for knowledge. This stage begins with a feeling that something in your life has shifted. A crack appears in the familiar reality, breaking the illusion of the world you once knew. This might come from a life-changing event, such as losing a job or a loved one. It could be a profound spiritual experience that shakes your core, or simply a growing awareness that there is more to life than what meets the eye. You start questioning your assumptions and the beliefs you once held dear. Driven by a desire to understand, you delve into spiritual teachings and read books on philosophy, listen to inspiring talks, and watch enlightening videos. You explore meditation or yoga practices, seeking peace and inner balance. These practices help calm your mind and open your heart, allowing you to connect with a deeper part of yourself. You attend workshops and join groups that share your interests. You connect with those who resonate with your journey, finding comfort in shared experiences and perspectives. This is a time of exploration, gathering tools and insights to navigate the uncharted territory within. Each new discovery feels like a piece of a puzzle falling into place, guiding you toward a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. You become more open to different perspectives and start exploring concepts that challenge your previous understanding. You realize that this journey is not just about seeking answers, but also about experiencing and embracing the unknown. The seeker's path is both exciting and daunting, filled with moments of clarity and confusion, but each step you take brings you closer to uncovering the truth and finding meaning in the cracks that have appeared in your reality. This is a curious and investigative phase where your thirst for knowledge deepens. You delve into spiritual teachings, reading books, and attending seminars that expand your understanding. You explore different practices like meditation or yoga, experimenting with various techniques to find what resonates best with you. You might try journaling, mindfulness exercises, or even attending retreats to immerse yourself fully in the experience. As you seek, you connect with like-minded souls who share your interests and aspirations. These connections provide support, encouragement, and a sense of belonging on your journey. However, as you delve deeper into your search, you might encounter a challenging yet necessary stage known as the dark night of the soul. During this phase, limiting beliefs and conditioned patterns may surface, leading to emotional turmoil and a sense of disconnection. Old wounds and unresolved issues come to the forefront, demanding your attention and healing. This period can be intense and overwhelming, but it is also a time of purification. You begin to shed the layers that no longer serve you, releasing fears, doubts, and negative patterns that have held you back. Through this process of purification, you confront and overcome your inner demons, gaining strength and clarity. It is a transformative time where you start to see glimpses of your authentic self emerging. The pain and struggles you face help to clear the way for a more genuine and aligned version of yourself. You learn to trust the process, understanding that these challenges are necessary for your growth and evolution. As you navigate this stage, you develop resilience and inner wisdom. You come to appreciate the importance of self-care, compassion, and patience. You recognize that true transformation takes time and that every step, no matter how difficult, is bringing you closer to your true self. This combined stage of seeking and purification is a profound journey of self-discovery where you learn to embrace both the light and the shadows within you. As you shed layers of conditioning, your authentic self starts to emerge. This process is like peeling away the masks you've worn to fit in with others' expectations. You begin to see yourself more clearly, understanding your true desires and passions. Limiting beliefs, those thoughts that held you back and made you doubt yourself, they start to dissolve. Instead, you embrace empowering truths that uplift and inspire you. You release the fears and doubts that once controlled your decisions, making way for confidence and clarity. As you connect more deeply with your intuition, you start to trust your inner voice, knowing it guides you toward your true path. Your life begins to realign with your inner values, those core principles that resonate with your soul. This transformation can lead to significant changes in many areas of your life. Your relationships might shift as you attract people who support and understand your journey. You may find yourself drawn to a new career that feels more meaningful and fulfilling. Even your physical environment might change to reflect your new state of being, creating a space that nurtures and inspires you. Like a butterfly emerging from its chrysalis, your true self begins to take flight. You feel a sense of freedom and excitement as you step into your new reality. The world around you seems brighter and full of possibilities. This stage is a powerful awakening where you fully embrace your true purpose and live a life that feels authentic and aligned with who you really are. In this stage, you experience a profound sense of peace and harmony. You feel a deep connection with your inner self, living in alignment with your inner truth. This alignment brings a calmness and clarity that you have not known before. You live authentically, embracing who you truly are, and this authenticity radiates compassion not only for yourself, but also for others. You see the interconnectedness of all things, understanding that every action and thought has an impact. Navigating life becomes a graceful dance as you move with wisdom and understanding. You face challenges with a calm mind and a compassionate heart, finding solutions that are in harmony with your values and beliefs. This stage is marked by a deep sense of fulfillment and joy as you feel at peace with yourself and the world around you. However, this stage is not an endpoint. It is a continuous journey of refinement and growth. Each day brings new opportunities to deepen your understanding and expand your awareness. You continue to learn and evolve, embracing each moment as a chance to grow. This ongoing journey keeps your spirit vibrant and your heart open. The integration of your experiences and wisdom becomes a natural part of your life, guiding you toward ever greater levels of harmony and peace. The wound is the place where the light enters you, as said by the 13th century poet Rumi. Your body becomes an incredible storyteller during moments of spiritual awakening, conveying the profound shifts happening within you. It speaks a language of sensations and signals guiding you along your path of discovery. Here are some signs that your body and spirit might use to communicate with you during this transformative journey. Increased curiosity about metaphysical concepts and otherworldly phenomena often signals a spiritual awakening. This growing interest may show itself through various practices such as healing crystals, yoga, Reiki, or seeking intuitive guidance. As individuals delve deeper into these realms, they may find themselves drawn to explore the unseen forces that shape our lives. This exploration can lead to a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit, as well as a heightened awareness of energies and vibrations. It's a journey of discovery that opens new doors to self-exploration and inner growth, offering insights into the mysteries beyond the physical realm. The crown chakra sits atop your head and is seen as a potent energy hub, linking us to divine sources. Sensing throbbing or tingling, there may signal energy flowing from the universe into you. These sensations may coincide with moments of deep meditation or spiritual connection, indicating a heightened state of awareness and alignment with higher realms. When this chakra activates, it can bring feelings of peace, clarity, and a profound sense of interconnectedness with all that exists. Paying attention to these sensations can offer insight into your spiritual journey, guiding you towards greater understanding and harmony within yourself and the universe. Buzzing in the ears, often described as an increased awareness of a faint buzzing sensation in both ears, is believed by some to be a sign of spiritual awakening. This sensation is likened to how animals perceive frequencies beyond human comprehension, suggesting a heightened receptivity to a divine presence or guidance. It's seen as a subtle yet significant shift in awareness where individuals may feel more attuned to subtle energies or spiritual messages. This buzzing sensation is interpreted by those experiencing it as a signal of evolving spiritual sensitivity, marking a potential opening to deeper spiritual insights and connections beyond the physical realm. Feelings of imbalance or disorientation, commonly known as vertigo, can occur as a temporary side effect during the initial stages of spiritual transformation. This sensation often arises due to the surge of energy and shifts in perception that accompany spiritual growth. It's a sign that the energies are realigning and adjusting within, preparing them for deeper insights and experiences ahead. Understanding that vertigo is a natural part of this transformative process can provide reassurance and encouragement to continue embracing the changes unfolding within oneself. Sometimes you might experience shivering or tremors. This sensation can be a sign of a powerful connection with a higher energy source. It's a temporary condition that indicates a significant shift in your energy levels and signifies spiritual growth. These shivers are like a gentle vibration coursing through your body, a tangible sign that you are in tune with something greater than yourself. They often occur during moments of deep meditation, intense emotional release, or profound spiritual experiences. This phenomenon is widely recognized across spiritual traditions as a physical response to heightened spiritual awareness. It's a reminder that you are part of a larger cosmic energy flow, and your body is responding to this connection in a unique and palpable way. These shivers can be comforting, affirming your path towards greater understanding and inner peace. As you awaken spiritually, you start to perceive the deep connections between all things. This heightened awareness nurtures a greater sense of empathy and compassion within you. You begin to understand that everyone and everything is intertwined in the tapestry of life. This realization inspires you to cultivate more loving, forgiving, and accepting relationships with others. You find yourself naturally showing compassion and kindness to everyone you meet, whether they are friends, family, or strangers. Your heart opens to embrace the diversity of human experiences, and you learn to see the beauty in each person's journey. This transformation in how you relate to others enriches your own life and deepens your understanding of the universal bond that connects us all. As your connection to the spiritual realm strengthens, you find yourself becoming more attuned to signs and messages from the universe. You start paying closer attention to synchronicities, those meaningful coincidences that seem to appear in your daily life. These synchronicities could be subtle messages from your higher self or spirit guides, guiding you along your path of discovery and growth. Each synchronicity holds a potential message or lesson, encouraging you to reflect on its significance and how it relates to your journey. This heightened awareness opens up a new dimension of understanding and insight, deepening your spiritual connection and affirming your belief in a greater unseen wisdom guiding your steps. During spiritual awakening, you begin to feel less afraid of darkness. Your inner light grows stronger, making you feel comfortable being alone because you know your light can overcome any darkness around you. Sometimes you might even feel a connection with mystical beings, which shows how much more aware you've become. These experiences are signs of your heightened awareness and openness to the unseen aspects of life. As you continue on this journey, you find that the fear of darkness diminishes further, replaced by a deep sense of peace and understanding. Spiritual awakening is a deeply personal journey, a path of discovery that can bring both excitement and difficulty. It's a time of profound moments where everything seems clearer alongside periods of confusion. Embracing this journey means accepting change with an open heart, knowing that support is always within reach. You're not alone in this transformation. Many resources like books, online communities, and spiritual mentors are available to guide and encourage you along the way. Trusting the process and staying open to growth will help you navigate the challenges and find deeper meaning in your spiritual awakening journey. Thank you for joining our growing community. Whether you're experiencing any of these signs or simply curious to learn more, we invite you to leave a comment below and share your thoughts with us. Your voice matters in this journey of exploration and discovery, so stay connected as we continue to explore together. Until next time.